Hello everyone, this is Shubhadeep from 7 Bolts Academy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create keyword cluster using ChatGPT. So what exactly is a keyword cluster? So keyword cluster is a list of keywords on which you want to make content so that you can rank your main keyword. So say I have a website which is optimized for this keyword, that is called PMP exam preparation course. So I need to create content around all the search queries which people have around this keyword. Now you can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest and SEMrush to do this for you. But now you can even do this with ChatGPT, and in a very visual way you can see what keywords you need to target to rank your main keyword. So to do this, you need to install a extension for ChatGPT that is called AIP RM for ChatGPT. So let's just search this one, AIPRM ChatGPT. So this extension is specifically made for ChatGPT. So basically it allows you to access some uh, in-depth command which you can give to ChatGPT to make you uh, high quality content. So just install this on Google Chrome. So as soon as you install this, when you open ChatGPT, you will see a different interference, something like this. So it will look quite different than your normal interference which used to show like this. So now you will have all the commands which people are using to get the best out of ChatGPT. Now to create a keyword cluster, you need to copy your main keyword. So this is my main keyword, say PMP exam preparation course, and I want to rank my website for this keyword. So let's come to ChatGPT, and we're gonna use this keyword, this prompt called keyword strategy. So click this keyword strategy and put your keyword here. So your keyword is PMP exam preparation course, and just press enter and watch how it creates a cluster for this keyword. So it will create this keyword cluster in a nice table, so you can easily understand which keywords you need to target and what is the search intent behind that keyword. So if you have a page which is optimized with the keyword PMP exam preparation course, and you write blogs or you have sub pages targeting these other keywords like PMP certification, PMP exam syllabus, best PMP exam preparation course, PMP bootcamp, you can easily rank your main page which is optimized for this keyword, that is called PMP exam preparation course. So you can see that every keyword comes with something called search intent. So the search intent behind this keyword is informational. Search intent behind this keyword is commercial. That means a person searching for this, like best PMP exam preparation course, is planning to buy your course. So he's in the market to buy your course. So this is a commercial keyword. And this is an informational keyword like PMP exam practice questions. So a person searching for this keyword is looking information around this subject. So you need to write an informational blog on this, or blog, or it can be a website or whatever it is. And see this one, transactional keyword. So this keyword, PMP exam application process. So a person searching for with this keyword is almost ready to make that purchase, like he has his wallet out to buy the course. So if you have an article or a blog which is ranking for this keyword and a person finds your website, so he's ready to make the purchase, so you can get a conversion. So see how easily using this extension, that is AIRPM for ChatGPT, you can create a keyword cluster for your main keyword, that is PMP exam preparation course. Now you can start writing blog and content using each of this keyword and link it to your main page which is optimized with this keyword, and you will see that your main page is ranking on Google. So I hope you like this video and do use this strategy to accelerate your SEO, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome tips like this. Thank you everyone.